So we were just gifted this 3-pack of carbon monoxide detectors made by Heiman. These are designed to be installed either on the wall or on a fixed surface. We're going to get these installed, one down here near our gas furnace, one near the gas furnace in the shop, and then one up in the sleeping area. So it's perfect that we have 3 of these. Anytime you have a gas appliance in your house, there is a chance of CO2, carbon monoxide, and it is deadly. So this is something that we're really happy about getting in the home. These are rated for 30 parts per million to start the alarm, and they do have a sealed battery in them as well. So let me show you that. So the sealed battery is rated for up to 10 years, so you don't have to maintain this. Just after 10 years, obviously maintain it. So right here in the corner, you have a test and hush button. So you hit that, and you can make sure it's working, and then also obviously turn it off if you need to. So very cool, and it gives you all the different alarm indicators. Right now it's still cycling on, but got a nice little readout here. To activate, you got to pull the tab out of the back, put your mounting bracket in, and slide it up. And then the unit will power up. So that is pretty easy. And they give you all the hardware to mount it. You have your screws and mollies, things like that. So you do have capabilities of wall mounting this unit. So obviously you can place these just on a countertop or a bedside, just like that, so it is protected. And then this other one we're going to go mount in the shop right by the furnace. So let's go do that. So this one we're going to mount. We have a furnace out here, again gas, so we're going to get it right up here. Way if we have any issues out in the shop. And this is also a garage, so if you have any cars or anything running in here, it's going to let you know there's too much carbon monoxide from vehicles. 2 screws, line your holes up on the bracket, and slide down. There you go. All right, so we got our CO2 detectors mounted. A lot of peace of mind. We're gonna put the last one up in the bedroom so that we know at night we're covered as well. If you have any type of gas appliances, check out these Heiman CO2 detectors. Really easy to install, and I love the fact that they have a 10-year sealed battery, so you're not every year trying to change the batteries in those like most smoke detectors. So I'm definitely impressed with them. Small, compact, and just having a little bit more peace of mind at night, that knowing that we're protected.